Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be installing this power tool organizer. It is 100% metal, never rust. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and then we're going to be installing it and show you all that fun stuff. Okay, so this is everything that comes with it. You have a very heavy duty rack. Here's the other rack that's for organizing your power tools right there. And then you have your instruction manual right here that tells you how to put it together. That's up. And then you have your screws and your drywall little butterflies. So let's go install this. So I'm going to start by applying the bottom rack, just like this. Maybe I should use the bigger one. So I'm going to probably put this one about right here. So that shows to be level. So I'm going to drill the holes where I want them. Drilling this in since I already have this there. So now that we got that one done, let me go ahead and hold this up over the hole to where it's even. So I'm going to go ahead and go in the middle of this side. Let's see. Then we're putting the butterflies in, as you can see. Now, and then you just take the screws that it came with. Still even, so that's good. Now let me go ahead and do this. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and drill in this middle hole now that it's even, and then go ahead and do the same thing that I did to these other two. Okay, and on this one, so I can tell that it's even that way, so now I just gotta make it even right there. And I'm just gonna kind of scratch where I want to get the holes, just to make it easier to go through and drill. Now normally I'd get like, so let's go right there, dead center, dead center. Okay, so let's just get those ones on first. Okay, and then I'm going to put in these things and pretty much do what I did down here up there. And as you can see, that's what it looks like completed. And then you just want to, like, I'm going to take this off. So once you're done with that, you can put this right there. Put this right there, and then you can put these up here, all the drill bits. And then we can put the battery charger up here as well.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.